Hey everyone, today I am on jcrew.com and I'm going to talk about jcrew.com credit card. And as you see, I am on jcrew.com credit card page now. And as you see, there is a green apply now button here. And if you want to log in your JCrew Credit Card account page, you need to click the right icon here, account icon, and as you see, there is a create an account button and a sign in now button here. So if you have already an JCrew account, you can click sign in now button. But if you don't have an account, you need to click create an account button here. And now I want to talk about this credit card. The JCrew credit card was designed to appeal to people who can comfortably pay off their bills every month and want to earn high rewards on purchases. However, keep in mind that you can only use your rewards at a JCrew store, so the versatility of use for this card is quite limited. And as every credit card, it also has pros and cons. Its pros are that access to a priority phone number is only available to cardholders, and member-only events and special birthday surprises, and there is no annual fee for using this card. And rewards can only be used at JCrew, and high APR are the cons of this card. So, as I said before, if you want to have this card, you need to click jcrew.com and then click apply now button. So thank you for watching my video. Please share and like and make comments my videos. See you, bye.